Hi, welcome to my home for the holidays Christmas series. This is for Lisa, your host. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what we've done to our living room for the Christmas holidays. I hope that you've been enjoying the series that I've been sharing with you as we prepare our home for the holidays. At the end of the video, I will inform you where most of the items came from that's in my living room. But before I go on with this tour, if you have not subscribed to Homebody, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me reach my 20K goal by the end of the year. Let's get started on this tour. Okay, love, so let me go ahead and let you know where the items came from. The candles that you see flickering on my entryway table came from eFavormart. I'll leave the link below to those candles. The bling deer came from Big Lots. The other deer in the trees actually came from Home Goods. My wall art came from Home Goods. My wall sconces came from Z Gallery. The two candle holders on the end actually came from Burlington. Now the globe with the green tree, the finial here, actually came from the Nutcracker Market. The other one actually came from Home Goods. The two smaller lanterns on the side actually came from Z Gallery. My deer that you see in the middle came from the Nutcracker Market. The candle holders here came from Bath and Body Works. The candles came from Home Goods. Table from Wayfair. My side chair came from Pier 1. The pillow on the side chair came from Home Goods. The robe came from Z Gallery Mirror, and the vase came from Z Gallery. Florals came from Hobby Lobby. Lamps from Z Gallery. Wall art from Ross. Sconces on the wall came from Z Gallery. My tree came from King of Christmas. Ornaments came from At Home. The tree on the floor came from Home Goods, as well as my deer holding the candles came from Home Goods as well. The angel tree came from Tuesday Morning. My drapes came from Home Goods, and my area rug came from Ross. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.